Hey everybody, this is Mohammad Hassan Mansoori. In this video, we will discuss a very landmark judgment, that is DK Basu versus State of West Bengal. I think this case is very important not only for law students but the public in general. From childhood, at some point in time, we all have this desire to become a policeman. The reason can be the portrayal of the police as a very fearless figure in movies. I mean, they can literally do anything. They can single-handedly beat anyone. But that's not the point here. The point here is whether this is legal, and if not, what are the safeguards against such police brutality. On this note, let's get straight to the case. So the facts of the case are, Shri D.K. Basu, the Executive Chairman of Bengal Legal Aid Services, addressed a letter to the then Chief Justice of India, P.N. Bhagwati, regarding the issues of custodial death. The letter was thereafter treated as writ petition under the public interest litigation category. While the above case was pending, another letter was addressed to the Honorable Supreme Court by Shri Ashok Kumar Johri. This letter was regarding the death of one Mahesh Bihari of Aligarh in police custody. Both of the letters were treated as writ petition and was directed to be listed along. For your better understanding, this is the diagram of the above facts. While giving its judgment, the Supreme Court observed that custodial deaths are very common in India and many states have had a notorious history of normalized use of third-degree torture methods by the police in custody, which in most cases eventually results in custodial deaths. To this effect, the Honorable Supreme Court of India has laid down 11 guidelines regarding the rights of arrested persons. So always remember, when you are arrested or detained by the police, you have the following rights. First, while arresting, police should wear a clear identification name tag with their designations and also should record the name of interrogating personnel in a register. Second, police should prepare a arrest memo at the time of arrest and such memo shall be attested by at least one witness. Third, the arrested person has the right to inform friend or relative as soon as practicable that he has been arrested along with the place where he has been kept. Fourth, when the friend and relative lives outside the district or town, the information regarding the arrest must be notified within 8 to 12 hours of the arrest. Fifth point is, well, this point we all have seen in movies, that the person arrested must be made aware of his rights to have someone informed. Sixth, an entry must be made in the diary at the place of detention regarding the arrest of the persons who are informed, and the in-charge police personnel. Seventh, if the arrestee requests an inspection memo, must be prepared containing information regarding any major or minor injuries at the time of arrest. Eighth, during the custody, the arrested person should be subjected to medical examination by a trained doctor every 48 hours. Ninth, all the copies of documents should be sent to regional magistrate. 10th, the arrested person is permitted to meet his lawyer during interrogation, though not throughout the interrogation. 11th and the last is that a police control room should be provided at district and state headquarters, where information regarding arrest should be displayed within 12 hours of the arrest. Now, these are all about the guidelines. But what if the police personnel fails to comply with the guidelines? Well, the concerned official will be liable for departmental action. Also, contempt of court proceedings can be initiated against him. Well, the impact of the judgment can be seen on the CRPC itself, where through 2009 amendment, sections 41A, B, C and D has been added, but still the cases of custodial deaths and police brutality have only increased in the past few years. And the root cause of this goes much beyond the violation and rules by the police administration, and it is much correlated with our political discourse. To wind up, I must refer to a quote that torture of a human being by another human being is essentially an instrument to impose the will of the strong over the weak by suffering. Thank you.